Welcome back to the channel, Market Hawks, where we stalk the market, where you come get your financial gain so they don't run a financial train on you. And this is what I always tell everyone. This is not financial advice. This is information that could possibly change your life. Now, let's go back to a couple weeks ago when the market was crashing, and I was telling you guys that Trump was giving you a gift. And what I want everyone to do that's following me, paying attention, any of my clients, I want us to become more economically woke. And I always say this, while everyone else spend money on things that matter, we play broke. So economic wokeness allows us to see what's taking place in these markets. Had we been buying like we should have weeks ago, planting our seeds, we would see the potential aftermath today. When you're watching the markets crash, it's not always good and all that other stuff that people don't like, the pain, but you have to plant your seeds in the roughest times, in the roughest water. Dislocation, mispriced. Remember I said that? Wealth is made in your sleep and not on your feet. The stocks were mispriced. You've seen Meta. Meta was down to 4 something. It's up to 650. You've seen Palantir. It was down to 70 something. Now it's up to 128, 130. You've seen the Walmarts at 80. Now it's back up to 90, maybe 100. You've seen many stocks do that in a matter of days. Now, take full advice and hear this and hear me well when I say this. Wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. Become economically aware. Trump is telling you guys to go out and buy stocks. You need to be listening to him because now is the time to buy, but you should have been buying while assets were much, much cheaper. Take the advantage of your opportunities. You're not going to continue to get these type of opportunities because in the near future, you're going to be possibly priced out of the market. You look at all of the solid stocks I told you. Look at some of the solid stocks. When you get solid stocks, you get those, you continue to accumulate your position. You have to always add to your position. Now, my traders, that's something different. Trading is absolutely necessary. Volatility's been high. You guys been profiting like a fat rat. A lot of you got fat while everyone else starved. And I like that. Trading is absolutely necessary. But do not shortchange yourself and not invest. Investing is absolutely necessary. Understand the power of the markets and the power of investing. When everything is red is when you want to buy. When things drop, that's when we shop. You do not want to listen to the philosophy of the untrained minds of when the market's dropping, sell. When the market's going up, buy. That's not what you want to do. You want to buy when that market is dropping, and if you want to sell when it's up, that's fine. Me, I continue to add because I want to hold long term. And like I say, you always want to trade. If that's what you do, that is absolute necessary. But let's recap. Trump gave you guys a gift. The question is, were you worthy enough to receive the gift? Or did you let it pass you by? When the markets was crashing, you should have been taking your assets and your cash and dashing, shifting assets to get more liquidity, taking cash, shifting in the market to let it compound. But that's it for today. I'm just going to give y'all a little bit Market Hawks where we stalk the market. You come get your financial gain so they don't run a financial train on you.
This country will hit a point that you better go out and buy stock now. Let me tell you, this country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up.